Verizon Prepaid is the thing right now. Hi guys, this is Ahmed, and I have a dealer that got their phones for Verizon Prepaid. He wanted to ask me a couple of questions, and he said, what should I do? How can I sell them? All these things. I said, just bring your phones and come over here. Honestly, this is the first time I see the packaging, how they come. They come in a package like this, sealed box, and different phones. He ordered 15 phones. The first thing you do when you get the phone, you count how many of these, how many we have here, how many we got here, you got the models, so this way it's always good, but always count your phones. So I got the phones, and I said, let me open the phones. Let me take a look at these phones, okay? Honestly, I've seen the phones, but I've never seen how the box comes and how they're packaged. Beautiful packaging, fantastic, great packaging, okay? I opened the phones, and I said, let me take a look. This is the Nokia C110. Are you kidding me? Look at this phone. Like the weight and everything, it's beautiful phone. Guys, customers not running around now with $300, $400, $500 in their pocket. They have these phones. These phones right here, available, ready to go. I can't believe anybody's complaining about the pricing and everything. You know what? Is it perfect? To me, yes, it's perfect. Even when there is a couple of errors. If there is an error here or there, I'll deal with it. I'd rather deal with errors, one here, one there, that's fine. Which is thank you to Prepay. They're doing their best to keep everything under control. There is not much errors. If you had an issue, there's always a button, RMA, return. If there is something wrong with the phone, just return it. You got 60 days to get your rebate, 100% rebate. Some of these phones was on 3 months service for $17 the cost. And there were some problems and, oh, it's too much money. Who cares? Who told you that? Who told you it's too much money? Even 1 month. If you're activating these phones with 1 month, there is free phones on 1 month right here, guys. Prepay doing everything they can to put money in your pocket. Verizon Prepaid is the thing right now. If you're not selling Verizon Prepaid, you're not in the prepaid. They're owning the market. They're owning everything. They're paying top dollars. They're paying 10% on airtime when people pay their bills. And they'll pay you 10% in the end of the month if you keep your rate high on the second refill and third refill. They're giving everything. If you are in the prepaid business, you got to sell Verizon Prepaid. If you don't have these phones, I don't know what to tell you. Big mistakes. All this box, by the way, less than $1,000. 15 phones, I believe there is 2 of them at $35, which is this one here. The $35, the $35. And then it's free. You know, when I tell you the price, you get back the rebate for what you paid for the phone. So it's a free for the customer, and it's free on you. Let them take the risk. Prepay taking the risk. Why are you worried about it? Give it away for free. Charge maybe $10, $15, $25. I don't care how much you want to charge for activation fee and plus the plan, and give it away. Goodbye. These phones should be 3, 4, 5 a day I would sell. If everybody walks into my store, if I'm a prepaid store or I'm a repair store, some phones cannot be repaired, but the customer need a phone, perfect phone. Oh, I need an iPhone 15, I need an iPhone 16. Well, guess what? It's $15, $1,500, $1,300, $900, $800. Oh, I don't have it. Can I get it later? Sure, but you know what? I got something right now for you. For $50 walking out of the door and $25 activation fee, $75 with the plan on it, out of the door. Let me port your number. Port the number. As a matter of fact, it's easy. I don't want to say it's easy, but there is money to be made with these things. The phone looks beautiful, attractive. The price is great, right? Everything's right. Dealers, you have to carry handsets. And if there is a company giving you the opportunity to carry handsets, carry the handsets. Take the phones. Sell the phones. SIM card included, phone included, charger included, and your job is just to sell. Just sell the prepaid, make money. You know, I build my business not on iPhone 6, 7, $800, $900, $1,500. I build my phones on phones around $50. Everybody, because I knew one day, I knew when I got into this business, when I was in the retail, like you, I owned retail stores. I worked retail stores. I knew everybody walks in with $50 in their pocket. Not everybody has $500. And I wanted that sale to keep going. They always say fast nickels, not slow quarters. You know, you need that fast transaction. More transactions, that's how you win. Give the customer what they can afford. Give the customer great products, great service. They can upgrade later. You know, everybody wants the Mercedes and the Lamborghini, but they don't have the money for that. Oh, it looks so good. I wish I have a Lamborghini. I wish me too. But I don't want to spend that money on a car that I don't want to spend money on anything that I really don't need. So I'm using an iPhone right now, but I can afford the iPhone. But when I was in college, when I had 6, 7 kids, and someone have 7 kids, single mom, single dad, single whatever, they can't afford these expensive things. And quit. You guys, listen, the new generation, you really think that you're helping your customer when you give them the most expensive things. No, you're not helping them. You're thinking you're helping them. And you think you're helping yourself. You're not helping anybody. Give them what they can afford. Give people what they can pay. Give people what they can. Listen, you want to be in the prepaid, you gotta carry these phones. If you don't carry these phones, you're making a huge mistake. Sell more Verizon Prepaid. Order these phones. Hurry up. Sell prepaid. Have the expensive, don't get me wrong, but have these. If you don't have these, you're making a big mistake. I'd rather have these, not iPhones and Androids. I'm telling you, I will sell these fast. 2 for $100, whatever. Boom, keep moving. Hey, you want a phone? You want a phone? Hey, do you have a son? Do you have a daughter? Get that momentum going, guys. Make that money. Thank you for watching this video. Sell more prepaid, sell more Verizon Prepaid. Thank you so much. Take care.
Unlimited prepaid distribution, your #1 prepaid wireless master agent and phone distributor.